Good morning. Here's everybody. 3 weeks old yesterday. Getting so big. As you can see, we're walking around. We had an escape artist this morning getting out of the baby pool. So we're going to be changing over to a puppy bed with no pool. So we'll go in here. There's Kingston and Sylvia. And this little guy's going to Colorado. And back here being all quiet is he's still available. So let's see if we can get in here and get some good shots of their face. Can we say hi to your family in Colorado? Yeah. And you can say hi to your family in Missouri. Sylvia's up here trying to escape. And it's Sylvia. Say hi to your family right here in Kansas. And you can say hi to your potential family out there. Say hi. That's everybody. So we're starting to play a little. No teethers yet. But everybody's nose is filling in, and they're fat and healthy puppies. Somebody's trying to escape over here too. Get my shoe. They're saying, "Where's our mommy?" We sent mommy out to potty. Otherwise, it's just want to have some breakfast. Let's see. Nose is almost filled in all the way. And hers is very close. Getting there. So there you have it. Happy little puppies. Come here, Kingston. Come here, Kingston. Here, sit over here with these guys so we can get it all in there. Puppies! Puppies! You say bye. Can the puppies say bye? Say bye. We'll see you in a couple weeks.